Kevin.
We're ready?
Yep, we're ready.
Okay, so now it's about a little after 5 o'clock. We've been here since 7:30 this morning. We got set up. What time do we start shooting? About
10
o'clock or so.
Yeah.
And we had a lot of concerns with this house simply because we have an attic space on top and a very large crawl space down below. And those are heat sinks. They're going to take the heat out of the building. There's a concrete slab. So we were a little concerned that we had enough juice to get the temperature up to 115 for a long period of time. We found that in most of the areas we've been able to break 130, and we've got over 140, 145 in some areas. It was very beneficial to have. This house has central heat, central air conditioning. We didn't turn on the air conditioning, but what we did was just turn the fan on, and we got 125 degrees plus throughout the whole ducting system, which is where these bugs are going to be moving. Down in the basement was our biggest concern. What do we have a temperature reading on the basement right now?
Basement
goes up to 120.
120. So good. So we're going to hold the basement a little bit longer. And the other problem was, as I said before, was the attic area, but we now know we're over 122, 126 in some of the wood. So with 2 of the thermistor systems running, what do we have, 9 or 12 units in there?
We have a total of 12 fan
We have
coils.
12 fan coils in there.
24 axial fans.
This is a very large house. You can't tell just by looking at the front, but as you go through this, if you go around the back, I don't know, we've got to have, do you know what your square footage is? It's
Probably
over
20.
3,000, isn't it?
With the basement.
Oh, yeah.
28 to
28.
If you count the garage and the basement,
you,
we'll say
you weren't
3,000.
counting. You weren't counting the crawl space either.
Oh, that's the square footage?
Sure.
Each.
So
Yeah.
in any
It's
event,
about
it's a big
3,000.
house. It's got a lot of movement, a lot of different ways. We used a lot of fans in here, but the surface temperature of the plywood and all the other areas is at 135. So we're good. We feel very confident about it.
And in addition, we treated cars, correct?
Oh, that's right. We brought the 2 SUVs in. There was some concern that there may be SUVs in the car. They have leather upholstery, very nice cars. We brought the cars up over 130 degrees. If there were bugs in them, they're gone. And we switched it out. We have another one in there right now. Okay?
Thank you.
You're welcome.